welcome to a quick segment on how you go about splitting lines. First, what I'm going to do is create a new asset, and in this case, it's going to be a cable, a fiber cable, and I'm going to pretend that I am out in the field and I'm recording the location of a connection. So you have a connection. I'll go to record. I'll say fiber duct. I'll choose where I want the duct to start. So for instance, it's starting somewhere in a field here, and I'm plotting it across the field, walking, right? That's the pavement, and it will do something like it'll go down this way, it'll come here, and then it will connect to an existing cable. So fiber will do something like this. All right, I'll hit save. I will just put in a general and tarmac and choose the size and save. Yep. So there you have a beautiful cable there. Now, what we have is that you see the cable going over various portions, and you have the various types of pavements or different surfaces. So I will zoom in, and I'll say, okay, I would like to split that fiber cable as it goes over the various surfaces. So I'll zoom in at the points where I want it to split the cable, and I will select the line. I'll select the toolbox. I'll say split line feature, and then I will tap where I want it split. Then I'll go to the next line. I'll say go back into the toolbox and split line feature and tap where I want the cable split. Once I've done that, it's now configured to so the next step now would be to probably change the attributes of the various assets. So the first bit passes over grass area surface. So I'll select the line now. I can go into the editing tool, and I'll say, well, this is no longer a carriageway. It's on the footway, I would say, maybe. And I will I can also go in and I can adjust the geometry if I want, or add, or if I don't want, I can do any additions. I can add additions to it if I wish as well. Okay, so once I've done that, I'll say it's save, and now I have a separate feature with separate information. Then you have the bit that goes over the footpath or footway. I can select it. I can edit it as well, and I'll choose say it goes over the footway. Type of surface, probably I can say now it's Chinese grout or block pave, standard paving slabs. And then I can as well go in and edit the geometry if I want to as well, and save that. So now this was how you go about splitting a line.